First of all, let's take a look at this channel called TG Slow English. This channel currently has around 53 videos and has gained more than 9,000 subscribers, which is extremely impressive considering the number of videos uploaded. When it comes to estimated earnings, this channel is reportedly making around $5,500 per month. The views are also very strong. If we look at the type of content they are creating, you'll notice that they focus on long-form videos based on simple English stories. But this is not the only channel. There's another channel in exactly the same category called Talk Easy English. This channel currently has around 25 videos and has already gained approximately 8,000 subscribers, while also reportedly generating around $1,100 in estimated earnings. And if you look at the content, you'll notice that the overall format is extremely similar. So if you're interested in creating this type of content, today's video is going to be very important for you, because the video you're watching on your screen right now was created by me using free AI tools. I didn't use expensive paid software for the actual creation process. From generating the images, to animating those images into videos, to creating the voiceover, everything was done using AI tools. So make sure you watch this video until the end, because I'm going to show you the complete workflow step by step. And the best part is that I've already prepared an all-in-one master prompt for you. This master prompt contains 5 different tabs, and basically everything you need is included inside it. You'll find prompts for generating your story ideas, titles, descriptions, image prompts, video prompts, voiceovers, and even the thumbnail workflow. So you don't have to keep going to different places to find prompts. I've organized everything for you in one place. You'll find the link to the master prompt in the description and pinned comment. So, without wasting any more time, let's start creating our video. First of all, we're going to open Claude AI. This is where we'll generate our story ideas and the main content for the video. Once you open Claude AI, simply go to tab 1 in the master prompt. Copy the complete prompt from tab 1 and paste it into Claude AI. Then click Generate. Claude will give you several different story ideas. You'll usually get around 8 to 10 ideas, depending on the prompt. From these ideas, simply choose one story idea that you like. Once you've selected your idea, go back to the master prompt and open tab 2. Copy the prompt from tab 2, then go back to Claude AI and paste the prompt there. You'll also need to paste the story idea that you selected in the previous step. After that, click Generate. Claude will now ask you about the desired video duration. You can create different lengths depending on your requirements. You can create a 1-minute video, a 10-minute video, or even a longer story. For this tutorial, I'm going to create a video that is approximately 5 to 6 minutes long. So I'll enter 5 to 6 minutes and click Generate. And as you can see, my complete 5-minute story has now been generated. Now it's time to create the image prompts. For this, we'll go back to our master prompt and open tab 3. Copy the complete prompt from tab 3, and then go back to Claude AI. Now copy the complete story that we generated earlier and paste it along with the tab 3 prompt. Click Generate, and as you can see, Claude has now generated all of the detailed image prompts for our story. These prompts are designed to help us create consistent visuals for each scene. So now we have our complete story and our image prompts ready. Next, we need to create the animation prompts. Go back to the master prompt and open the next tab for the animation prompts. Copy the animation prompt and paste it into Claude AI, then paste the image prompts that we generated in the previous step. Click Generate, and now Claude will generate the corresponding video animation prompts for each image. These prompts will tell the video generation AI exactly how each scene should move and how the camera should behave. So now we have everything we need. Our story is ready, our image prompts are ready, and our animation prompts are also ready. Now let's move to image generation. For image generation, we're going to use Leonardo AI. Simply search for Leonardo AI on Google and open the official website. Create an account or log in. Once you're inside the platform, go to the image generation section. From the available models, select GPT Image 2. You can then choose your desired aspect ratio. For example, you can use 16:9 for YouTube videos, or 9:16 if you're creating vertical content. You can also adjust the generation settings depending on the quality and credit usage you want. For this tutorial, I'm going to use a lower setting to reduce the number of credits used per image. Now go back to Claude AI, copy the first image prompt, come back to Leonardo AI, paste the prompt into the image generation box, and click Generate. And as you can see, our first image has been generated. Now we simply repeat the same process. Take the second image prompt from Claude AI, copy it, paste it into Leonardo AI, and click Generate. Our second image is ready. Then we move to the third prompt. Copy it, paste it, and generate. Then the fourth prompt. Copy it, paste it, and generate. We continue this process one by one until all of the images for our story have been generated. And as you can see, all of our images are now ready. Now let's turn these static images into animated videos. For video generation, we're going to use Digin AI. Simply search for Digin AI and open the platform. Create an account or log in. Once you're inside, you'll find the video generation interface. For this workflow, select the available Real Motion 3.1 Turbo model, then choose your video settings and duration. Now upload your first image. Once the image is uploaded, go back to Claude AI and copy the first video animation prompt. Come back to Digin AI, paste the prompt into the video prompt section, and click Generate. Now our first video is being generated. You can also work on multiple generations depending on the current limits and available credits. So while the first video is processing, I can upload another image and prepare the next prompt. I'll go back to Claude AI and copy the second video prompt, paste it into Digin AI, and click Generate. Now the second video is being generated as well. After a short wait, our first video is ready. Let's preview it. As you can see, the image has been animated beautifully. The movement looks natural, and the scene has been transformed from a static image into an actual video clip. Let's check another one. As you can see, this one also looks really good. We can continue the same process for all of our images. Upload the next image, copy the corresponding video prompt, paste it into Digin AI, click Generate, and continue until all of the scenes have been created. After repeating this process, all of our video clips will be ready. Now simply download and save all of your generated clips, and that brings us to the next step, which is the voiceover. For the voiceover, we'll first go back to Claude AI. Simply tell Claude that you want the story converted into a natural voiceover script in paragraph format. Claude will convert the story into a clean narration script. Once the voiceover script is ready, search for 11 Labs. Open 11 Labs and go to the text-to-speech section. Now paste your voiceover script into the text box, choose your preferred voice, and for this tutorial, I'm using the Roger voice. Then click Generate, and our voiceover is ready. Now we have everything we need. Our images are ready, our video clips are ready, and our voiceover is ready. So now let's move to the final editing stage. For editing, I'm going to use CapCut. Open CapCut and create a new project. Now import all of your generated video clips and your voiceover. First, bring the voiceover onto the timeline and adjust the audio so that the narration is properly positioned. Then start adding your video clips one by one. Place each clip according to the corresponding section of the narration and adjust the duration of each clip so that the visuals match the voiceover. Once everything is properly aligned, you can add transitions between the scenes. You can also add background music, sound effects, subtitles, zoom effects, or any other elements you want. The goal is to make the final video feel smooth and professional. You can crop the frame slightly so that the logo is outside the visible area. Once everything looks good, simply export the video. And there you go. Your complete English story video is ready, and this is the final result. As you can see, we created the entire video using an AI-based workflow, from the story and image prompts to image generation, animation, voiceover, and final editing. And the best part is that you can use this type of workflow to create content for platforms like YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more AI tutorials,